Hey, what's up, guys? I missed y'all last week. Didn't get a chance to get a video done. Stand by just a second. I'll show you what we're doing this week. Well, that's how the day's going. What's up, everybody? Welcome back over to the channel. Work Hard Elswick, back out here in the garage again. Just trying to get the garage set up. I got a lot of stuff put away in the garage. I got a lot of organizing done, and we got to get ready for this big oven to come in here. So it's been about 4 weeks now since I ordered it, and they said 3 to 5 weeks. So it should be headed this way next week. So I got to make sure everything's set up and ready to go when it gets here, because I don't want to be running around last minute trying to do all this stuff after the oven's here. I want to get right into powder coating different things. The first thing that's going to get powder coated on the truck is I'm going to pull the air horns back off and redo that whole bracket that I painted originally, because it just looks bad after the winter. You know, there's some sections where I'm guessing rocks probably flew up and hit it and chipped the paint off of it. It's got surface rust on it. But you guys will see that in the next video. That'll probably be the first video that I shoot once I get the oven in. I'm going to shoot all that stuff, you know, with the powder coat oven when it shows up, getting it wired, do all that. And the first actual powder coating video, I'll be pulling the horns back off the truck, getting the brackets in the tank and all that stuff powder coated, and then getting it put back on. But before we can do all that, first things first, we got to make sure the garage is ready. And in order to powder coat, obviously you got to be able to dress whatever material it is. So there's a lot of sanding involved, you know, sand blasting, you know, prep work to get your metals and stuff ready. And in order to do stuff like that, you got to have air. You gotta have electricity, and that's what we're getting set up in the garage now. So I got this whole kind of corner figured out and measured out here, and the oven's gonna fit perfectly right here. So I'm gonna kind of keep everything close to here. I got a 50-foot hose reel here that we're gonna get installed, and then we'll get all the desiccant and the water traps, filters, and everything screwed up to the back wall there, running right into the hose reel. That way, anytime the air compressor kicks on, we know that's a good line for us to go ahead and be able to use to do the powder coating. So let me get this thing installed, and I'll show you guys where I did the electricity, because it's already all set up. Stand by one. All right, guys, let me show you this real quick. So here is our extension cord reel, 60 foot here. Is going to reach anywhere we need it to reach in the garage for sure. So I got this thing all hung up yesterday, just a couple lag bolts right up into the rafter there. Works like a champ. And I put it there because I got the plug up there that runs right there, that goes over for the garage door opener, so that shouldn't give us any problems. And here's the hose reel that I got. So 50 foot, you can find these just about anywhere. It's a good rubber hose. I like the actual rubber hoses when I'm messing with this stuff. And it's 50 foot, but you know, just a couple lag bolts here. We'll get that thing shot into the wall, and this is the line that comes out of it. So we'll run this line, and I just got to figure out, you know, what kind of filters I'm going to use, and then get the fittings to actually attach this so the line runs you know, through the filters you know, from the compressor through the filters. This line will come off the other side of the filters and go right into our reel, and then anytime we grab this hose to use it, we're gonna know it's nice clean air that ain't full of a bunch of moisture and stuff. All right, easy enough. I'll get you guys set back up here on the tripod, and we're gonna get this bracket mounted to the wall. Pretty much just as easy as that. She's up there. Wow, this is gonna be awesome. Hopefully that wind's not hitting you guys too bad. And that's about basically far out as the hose is going to go, so we can reach all the way outside the garage with the air now, which is what I was looking for. And oh, I'm caught on the chair. Ooh, that's kind of sloppy. We don't want to leave it like that, but I'll straighten that out later. But there you go, as easy as that. So now we got an air hose, 50 foot. We got a 60 foot extension cord there, and that's about all we need. Easy as that. Pretty much as easy as that. So that line will come out of there. We'll shoot her down through here like this somehow. And I will mount this so it's tight. We'll have it wrapped, but the filters and stuff will be right here. I'm gonna get all that stuff mounted, and as soon as we get it in, it's all on order now. And we'll have a nice clean air line that we can do anything with, essentially. Now I gotta find somewhere else to mount my dartboard at. That's fine, I'll put it somewhere else. But that'll wrap it up for this one. Just a quick video. Move you guys back a little bit. Just a quick little video there, showing you guys how I'm getting the garage set up to do what I need to do once my oven gets here, because I plan on getting quite a bit of stuff powder coated. I already got buddies at work looking for stuff to get done. I got another guy that's already looking to get a set of wheels done. So hopefully, with any luck, I'm gonna be pretty busy, or even more busy than I already am, I should say, once I get this oven here and I can actually start doing this stuff. Really excited about it, excited to share the experience with y'all. Never powder coated before, so it's gonna be a learning experience for me. We still do have all the stuff. I got more powders coming in. I got more tools ordered, and as that stuff starts to show up, we're gonna start going down through there and getting the stuff done. So that's it for this one. I am gonna shoot a couple more videos. I'm gonna do an overview on the truck, on the 3500. I've been kind of saying I'm gonna do a video on that, of all the stuff that's actually installed on it. Got pulled over by a cop yesterday for the first time in that thing. Freaked me out a little bit because I had no idea. I wasn't speeding. I had no idea why he was pulling me over, but that'll be in the next video. You'll probably see a clip of it, of me being pulled over at the beginning of this one, but the next video I'll get it in that video, and I'm gonna do a couple of the odds and ends stuff that's been installed on the truck, and what my thoughts are on them. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Sorry I didn't have too much. Just trying to get everything set up and get ready to start powder coating when I get everything here that I need. So check me out over on Instagram. I do post there daily at WorkHardElswick, at work_hard_Elswick. I'm at almost 5,000, pretty close to 5,000 followers over there right now. So pretty stoked about that. Again, I've gotten a couple more stickers in for the garage door here. So if you all want to send anything like that and help me get the garage door covered with old plates, I do collect old license plates too. I don't know if from different states, you can't see a whole lot of them, but there's some of them up there. I got Ohio, Michigan, Florida. I got old motorcycle plates up there from Michigan. Some other old stuff from Florida. Some old stuff from Illinois. But just little odds and ends like that to help me spice up the garage a little bit, make it not so dull to look at. I do have a post office box now. I went and got one of those. So if you want to send me anything, send it to Work Hard Elswick, P.O. Box 432, Union, Illinois 60180 -0431, and we'll go from there. We will go from there. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I'm going to start working on these other videos, so I got more content to put up this week, and I will see y'all shortly. I appreciate all of you. Peace.